This tire was low. It was starting to get flat, and then I found this screw in it right here. So I'm going to back this screw out, and then I'm going to patch it.
Okay.
So I can kind of unscrew it there. Might be able to take it out all the way like that.
Yeah.
And then I'll use this right here to
Now,
kind of
what do you
ring
do
it.
if it's like a nail or something else that's spiky
Yeah,
that
you
you
got to
can't
grab
get
it. Grab it with this and pull it out.
I gotcha. Okay, cool.
Something to get a hold of it.
So it's a screw that's a little bit more simple.
Yeah. And as soon as we take this out, we'll know.
Uh-huh.
If you hear air coming out, you know that it's a leak.
I gotcha.
Very long, so I'm thinking that.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I can hear it.
Hear it?
Yeah.
Right there.
So what do? Just push that.
Yeah, hold that.
Okay.
You're really supposed to twist it to where it goes in there.
Yeah.
You know?
How far do you go in?
I go in all the way.
Really?
And then you just kind of ream it out.
Yeah.
Because you want space to be able to get the plug in.
Okay. All right.
And then you take this, and your little plug.
Okay.
And the reason why you ream it out so that
Yeah.
it's a big enough hole to get this in there.
I gotcha.
If it's too small, you're not going to get it in there. Then get it right there in the middle.
Yeah.
And then, once you pull this out, then you're going to shove this in there.
Okay.
Try to keep track of where it's coming out of.
Yeah.
Right there. Then there. And then it goes in. See?
Yeah.
Go a little more right there.
Yeah.
I'll go a little more. Okay, so then
Uh-huh. So nothing.
turn it perpendicular, and then just yank it.
Okay. Alrighty.
And then you just cut the excess off.
All right.
And after that, we got to pump it up.
Okay.
And that's it.
What percentage of tires or punctures does this usually fix? Like
This
if
fixes most of the ones on the tread.
Yeah.
If it's too close to the sidewall, you can't do it.
Yeah.
And if it's on the sidewall, you can't do it. It's too dangerous.
As long as it's on the tread.
Yep.
It fixes about 100% of them, or have
Yeah,
had
I'd say if
any-
it's on the immediate
Yeah.
tread, like here to here,
Yeah.
you don't want it on the edge.
What if it's like in between, like the actual grip, like right in the actual gap there? Is that possible?
I think you can still get it.
Really? Okay.
This thing's not really cutting it. What's wrong with these pliers? I'm gonna use some different pliers. Yeah, that cuts. Yep, a little bit of excess there,
Yeah.
but not that big of a deal.
Yeah.
Now we just need to get the pump.
Okay.
Grab the pump inside and we'll lower it and we'll pump it up.
Okay.